Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, go check it out. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the factors that'll help you make a smarter decision when picking your first car. Sedans, reliable and comfortable options. If you're looking for something slightly larger but still practical, sedans are an excellent choice. Known for their smooth ride and durable build, sedans often feature a bit more room and comfort than compact cars. They're perfect for city or highway driving and tend to hold their value well over time. Some standout sedan options for first-time buyers include the Toyota Camry, which offers legendary reliability and top-tier safety ratings. The Honda Accord blends fuel efficiency with a roomy interior, ideal for longer trips. The Nissan Altima is known for its sleek design and user-friendly features. The Subaru Legacy comes standard with all-wheel drive for added stability. The Hyundai Sonata is packed with value, offering advanced tech and a comfortable ride. Sedans are a great middle ground for new drivers who want something practical but don't want to compromise on comfort. Used cars versus new cars. What's the better choice? Now, let's address a big question for first-time buyers. Should you go for a used car or invest in something brand new? Both options have their benefits and drawbacks, so it really depends on your priorities. Used cars. Used cars generally offer lower upfront costs, making them more budget-friendly. They also experience slower depreciation, meaning you won't lose as much value quickly. Plus, they give you a larger variety of options within a set price range. On the downside, used cars can have higher maintenance or repair costs. They may also lack modern safety features found in newer models, and their history might be a bit of a mystery unless purchased from a trusted source. New cars. New cars come with the advantage of a warranty, giving you peace of mind for repairs. They're equipped with the latest tech, especially for safety, and there's no previous wear and tear. However, new cars come with a higher purchase price upfront and tend to depreciate faster, losing value the moment you drive off the lot. Insurance premiums may also be higher for new cars. For many first-time drivers, a lightly used car strikes the best balance. You can still find something reliable and modern without taking on the financial hit that comes with buying brand new. Just be sure to get a vehicle history report and have the car inspected before purchasing. Understanding these options will help you make a smarter decision for your first car. Whether it's a compact car, a sedan, or a lightly used vehicle, there's something out there that'll fit your needs and budget perfectly. Financing your first car. Buying your first car is exciting, but figuring out how to pay for it can feel overwhelming. With so many options, it's important to know what works best for your budget and situation. Here's a breakdown of financing methods that help first-time buyers get behind the wheel. Loans and financing options. Let's start with car loans, a common choice for first-time buyers. Understanding the basics will help you make smarter decisions. Bank or credit union loans are traditional financing options where you borrow from a bank or credit union to pay for the car up front. Credit unions often have lower interest rates, so they're worth looking into if you're a member. Dealer financing is another option where many car dealerships offer financing directly. This can be convenient but may come with higher rates. Always compare their offer with what banks or credit unions provide so you're not paying more than necessary. Online lenders have gained popularity due to their ease of use and competitive rates. Platforms like Carvana or LendingTree let you shop for car loans from the comfort of your home. Personal loans, while not specifically designed for car purchases, can work if you don't qualify for traditional car loans. Be cautious, though, as interest rates might be higher. When comparing loans, focus on the interest rate, loan term, length of repayment, and any extra fees. A lower monthly payment might seem great but could cost more over time if the term is long. Leasing versus buying. Should you lease or buy your first car? Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Buying a car means you own it once it's paid off. There are no mileage restrictions, giving you freedom to drive as much as you like. You'll also build long-term value since you can keep the car or sell it later. However, buying typically comes with higher monthly payments compared to leasing. Leasing a car means you're essentially renting it for a set period, usually 2 to 4 years. Lease payments tend to be lower, making it easier to afford a nicer car. The car is under warranty, so you won't have to worry about major repair costs. The downside? You have to return the car at the end of the lease and don't own it. Leasing is a good option if you like the idea of upgrading to a new car every few years without worrying about long-term ownership. Buying is better if you plan to keep your car for a long time and want to build equity over time. Final thoughts. Choosing your first car should be an exciting process, not a stressful one. With the right research and preparation, you'll find a car that suits your budget, meets your needs, and makes you feel confident on the road. Whether you go for a compact car, a sedan, or a reliable used model, taking the time to weigh your options carefully will pay off in the long run. By focusing on safety, reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, you'll be well on your way to making an informed choice. Don't rush, take your time, ask questions, and test drive a few options before making your final decision. Your first car is a big investment, but with the right approach, it can be a fun and rewarding one that sets you up for years of driving ahead. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.